Get your parties going with the newest 2012 Hiccup Girls Glasses. Celebrate a wedding with a bridal collection that puts the happy couple in a large champagne glass and the maid of honor and bridesmaids into unique shot glasses. This year, fabulous, detailed girl figurines adorn some of the most popular cocktails in an edgy group of flirtatious glasses. A hot and spicy girl grasps a celery stalk ready for your Bloody Mary. It's wine o'clock for a blush vintage, and the new pilsner glass features a girl in a ponytail and a blue jean skirt ready for a draft. There are new shot glasses for life's milestones and for the 50 and sassy and 60 and classy crowds, too. The Hiccup Girls make fantastic gifts and come in wonderful gift boxes. Get a few to add to your collection, and maybe some for gifts today, too. You'll find the complete selection at atopthetable.com. Go there now. Really, don't wait.